In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over. If you're finding yourself stuck, or if your records aren't quite adding up the way they should, a fresh start might just be what you need. So, let's dive in to see how you can gracefully reset everything and begin anew. First, it's important to understand that QuickBooks does allow you to delete your company data, but there are a few conditions that need to be met for this option to be available to you. Most crucially, you must have created your QuickBooks Online account within the last 60 days. If your account is older than that, don't worry just yet. I'll touch on your options a little later. Assuming you're within this 60-day window, the process is pretty simple. What you'll need to do is make a small adjustment to the web address while you're logged in to your QuickBooks Online account. In the URL bar of your web browser, you'll see your company's QuickBooks URL. Here, the key is to replace the last word of this URL with Purge Company. This change will redirect you to a hidden page that QuickBooks offers specifically for deleting your data. It's a quick detour, but one that leads directly to where you'll need to go to wipe your slate clean. Once you've made this change and are on the correct page, you'll find an option that allows you to erase all your company data. It's worth noting that choosing to delete your data is a significant action and one that can't be undone. Once you confirm, all existing company data will be permanently removed, allowing you to make a fresh start. For those who've passed the 60-day mark since creating their account, this direct data deletion process unfortunately won't work. However, not all is lost. What you can do is cancel your current QuickBooks subscription. Subsequently, you'll need to reach out to QuickBooks customer support and request that they delete your data for you. It's a bit more involved than the self-service method, but the customer support team is equipped to help you with this task. That's everything you need to get your QuickBooks Online data reset and to start over. It's quite straightforward when you're within that initial 60 days. And while it requires a bit more interaction if you're past that time frame, it's still entirely manageable with a little help from customer support. Hopefully this guide has made the process simple and clear for you, and you're now ready to either implement these steps or take the necessary next steps to contact support. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.